Homeopathy has long been a subject of debate, but modern nanotechnology is now providing a physical basis for its effects. Recent research reveals that even at extreme dilutions, stable nanoparticles of the original source material remain present in the remedy. Landmark studies from IIT Bombay have detected these nanoparticles in potencies as high as 200 C using advanced electron microscopy. The process of potentization, serial dilution combined with vigorous shaking, is thought to create these unique top-down nanostructures. But how do these infinitesimal particles reach the brain so quickly? The answer lies in our body's direct neural pathways. When taken sublingually, these nanoparticles are absorbed through the oral mucosa, gaining direct access to the neural network. Similarly, the olfactory pathway in the nose provides a nose-to-brain conduit, allowing particles to bypass the blood-brain barrier. By using these nerves, homeopathy bypasses the traditional digestive and circulatory barriers that usually slow down medicine. This direct line to the brain's stress centers is why many patients experience fast results from homeopathic treatments. Research suggests that nanoparticles reach the brain by traveling through the very axons of the olfactory and trigeminal nerves. Once they reach the brain, these particles influence the HPA axis, the system responsible for our body's stress response. The hypothalamus acts as the control center, receiving direct signals from the nanoparticles to recalibrate the system. The pituitary gland then relays these signals, initiating a systemic response to restore balance and health. Dr. Iris Bell's NPCAS model suggests that these nanoparticles act as low-level environmental stressors that trigger an adaptive response. This phenomenon, known as hormesis, stimulates the body's internal self-healing mechanisms instead of just suppressing symptoms. By priming the system, homeopathic nanoparticles help reverse maladaptive stress dynamics, improving overall systemic resilience. It's a shift from traditional pharmacology to a more advanced form of bioactive signaling through nanostructures. This signaling helps the organism return to a state of homeostasis, effectively managing the brain's stress centers. Science is finally giving us the vocabulary to understand how these infinitesimal doses can be so biologically active. We are bridging the gap between centuries-old tradition and the cutting edge of modern nanomedicine. Ongoing research continues to validate these pathways, offering new hope for natural, rapid healing. The targeted action of nanoparticles ensures that the brain receives the information it needs without unnecessary delays. In summary, homeopathy is a sophisticated nanomedicine that works in harmony with our body's most direct neural networks. Experience the fast, natural results of science-backed homeopathy today. This screenplay was written and directed by Dr. Suneeth Mathew. Thank you for watching.